Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today's lesson is solving equations with percentages. For our first problem, we will start with 96 is 86% of what? For better understanding of the equation, you can group the problem into twos to make it easier to plug into the given formula. Our formula is over of equals percent over 100. The first step is to replace is with 96, then replace percent with 86. Because we are solving for the of factor, we will replace of with x. Now, our next step is to cross multiply. We are left with 86x equals 96 times 100. After multiplying, we are left with 86x equals 9,600. To get the x variable alone, we will divide each side by 86. After dividing, we are left with x equals 111.627907. Rounding the answer to the nearest tenth leaves us with x equals 111.6. For our next problem, we start with 89% of 18.6 is what? As mentioned previously, grouping our problem will help us set up our equation. We will set up our formula, which is over of equals percent over 100. Since we are trying to find out what it is out of, we will replace is with the x variable. Then we will plug 89% into the percent and replace of with 18.6. Now, our next step is to cross multiply. After doing so, we have 100x equals 18.6 times 89. Then we multiply further and we get 100x equals 1,655.4. Our final step is to get the x variable alone by dividing 100 on each side. Now we are left with x equals 16.554. Rounding to the nearest tenth, our final answer is x equals 16.6. To start off our third problem, we are being asked, what is 50% of 122? Again, we will group the problem by twos to help us better understand how to solve. Since we are trying to find what is 50%, we will replace is with the n variable. We will now plug in 50% to replace percent and switch of for 122. Now we need to cross multiply. After doing so, we get 100 times n equals 122 times 50. Multiplying this out, we have 100 times n equals 6,100. To get the variable alone, we divide 100 on each side. Now we have n equals 61. This is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Algebra Prep Academy for more helpful videos.